Hello, how are you? It's Charmaine, registered and licensed dietitian. We're making sauteed broccoli. Sprinkle in some balsamic vinegar, onion powder, garlic powder. If you want to add butter or margarine, you can. It gives it a little bit of a salty taste if you'd like. You can squeeze in lemon at this point. And then go ahead and add your pepper. And you have delicious broccoli. Broccoli is actually very nutritious. It's high in vitamin A, vitamin K, choline, phosphorus, zinc, and the list goes on. It's actually a decent amount of protein and high in fiber, low in fat. Absolutely delicious. This is a foolproof sauteed broccoli recipe. I wouldn't add any water, but if you're in a crunch for time and you want to hurry up and speed up the process, you can add a couple of ice to steam it, and it's ready in about 8 minutes. Very, very easy. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.